Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today we will unbox and review the February Her Highness box. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. Inside it we have a beautifully gift wrapped box like this. It has all these hearts which is very appropriate for the month of February, Valentine month. Really nicely packaged. And this is how the white cardboard box of Her Highness looks like. The usual box, the same size, very sturdy box, and it has this logo of Her Highness on it. So this is how the box looks from inside. There's the info card and all the products. Some of them are bubble wrapped as well. So let's go through them one by one. So let me start with the star product this month. This is the SFR color, the Rock Nudes. It is an eyeshadow palette which is in the shade or variant number 02. Here are some details about the product and the ingredients. Manufactured in 9/2017, best before 9/2022. So there's a lot of time to use. And this is how the shades look like. It's a beautiful combination of colors. It is the exact dupe of the Maybelline Rock the Nudes. So obviously the colors are really pretty. It's a beautiful combination also. You have the dark colors, blacks, plums, you have some browns along with shimmer and the matte ones, and you have these highlighter shades and some nude kind of shades right here, the lighter ones. I have not used SFR palette so far, but I hope they apply and blend as good as the eyeshadow palette looks like. So I'm pretty happy with it. Now after that we have another makeup product, a skincare makeup product from one of my favorite brands, Swan Ink. This is the highlighter oil and I have used this product and I absolutely love this product. This is manufactured in November 2017, best before 12 months, MRP is 500 rupees. And here it says shake well before use, and here are all the ingredients. Like it has jojoba oil, avocado oil, vitamin E oil, argan oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and so many good ingredients. So basically this is a skincare product as well along with a makeup product. Even though this is for highlighting, you can use it on day-to-day basis as well because this is not going to harm your skin. So you just take a drop of this. So this is how it looks like, and this is how you can apply this. So this has an oil base. Of course you can make it sheerer so you have a glowy kind of skin rather than a highlighted skin. So if you blend it well like this, your skin actually looks quite glowy. And this one here you can mix with your moisturizer, with any of your day creams or sunscreen also, or with your foundation to give a glowy dewy look, which is especially good for dry skin people, I feel, because they have very dry and flaky skin, so having a dewy finish really looks good. Then the next product for makeup is this makeup sponge kit. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 makeup sponges here. There are 4 applicators, makeup applicator or powder applicators like this, and there are 2 beauty blenders, and this one is in a very unique shape. I have never used something like this, but the pointy end will be really helpful in spot concealing, I feel. So here it says powder puff. Let me check the quality. The quality is fine. It is squishy and not like completely sponge. It is quite stiff as well. Yeah, it's pretty good actually. This white one especially, it's of really good quality. So these, you know, obviously have so many uses for blending your foundation, to apply some powder or compact, and even to blend out your cream highlighters, blushes or contour products. If you are using some cream products, these are good to blend them out. Now starting with skincare, I have my most favorite Monsub sheet mask. I'm really happy to receive this. I love this mask. This is the 24 karat gold facial crystal collagen mask series mask, and this is not like any usual sheet mask because it has a rubber kind of material or sheet, so which is really good. You can see it has so much of liquid here, or the serum you can say. So this really moisturizes my skin a lot and makes it look really brighter and even toned. So I love this mask the most. Here also it says main features are moisturizing and rehydrating, tightening, lifting and smoothing. The cost of this product is 250 rupees and I am very happy to receive this. Then the next product in skincare is from the brand Humblebee Handcrafted Luxury Bathing Essentials. So this one here is a food soak in the variant Coffee Cinnamon. In the ingredients, it has sea salt, rock salt, Epsom salt, coffee, cinnamon, vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, coconut oil, essence and color. 100-gram product, full size. January 2018 is manufacturing date and $4.99 is the price. Expires in 12 months. Here are the instructions to use. So this is how the product looks like. It smells like coffee, has an amazing coffee fragrance, so this will give you an aromatic experience as well, along with the relaxation of a food soak. I really like the fragrance and it looks so pretty, isn't it? I love how food soaks and bath salts look. I don't know why, I have a tendency to like them a lot. So that is our second skincare product. And then we always receive some personal hygiene products in the Her Highness box, and this time I have received a pack of sanitary pads. This is a random product. You might receive some other product. You might receive any other feminine hygiene product up to 50 rupees. So this is what I have received. And then our box is incomplete without a eatable, and here we have received the YY ready to eat noodles. This is the veg masala flavored instant noodles with 3 seasonings. That is so awesome, and it says munch it, soup it, lunch it. I tried the YY noodles from last time and it was really amazing. I love instant noodles. They might not be very healthy. I will not ask you to eat it daily, but sometimes when you're hungry and you don't have time, you're tired, this is a real lifesaver. And particularly this YY was really tasty. I tried it last time, it was really tasty. The flavor I have received this time is a different one, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. And they have sent this YY City Noodle Bar leaflet or info card as well, and here they say buy one get one free for exclusively Her Highness customers, so you can use this coupon code. And of course, how can I forget the jewelry? So this is the earring I have received. You will be receiving any random jewelry piece, and I have received a similar earring before also in black color, and I love it so much. This is a bit heavy because it is of really good quality. You can see the back side of it as well. The color this time is really beautiful. It's a beautiful blue color and it has rusted gold finish. Looks very pretty. A good statement ethnic earring kind of design. It would look really good with ethnic kurtis and suits. I'm quite loving it. So those are all the products in the February Her Highness box. Let's have a look at the info card. So this time the curator of the month is Ritu Kapoor, who is a fellow YouTuber, and I must say that the curation is really good. The SFR eyeshadow palette is for 549 rupees. Highlighter oil price we already read as 500. Set of 6 makeup blenders is for 225. Humblebee food soak is for 399, and it is an exclusive product for Her Highness box. Monza gold sheet mask we read as 250 rupees. Jewelry is for 225. Female hygiene is up to 50 rupees, and we have got the complimentary YY noodles in eatable section. So the total worth of the contents is more than rupees 2,100, but the box is priced at just rupees 649 including shipping. Plus I have a coupon code SonamHHB50, using which you can get a 50 rupees discount. That is, you can get this entire box at just rupees 599, that also including shipping. Definitely a great deal. I felt this month the box is especially great for makeup lovers. If you have a tight budget, then this is the perfect box. You get an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter and makeup sponges, beauty blenders, etc. They might not be the best in the market, but they are definitely good to start with, because even I am using the pack ones right now. The original beauty blender is quite expensive, so you can definitely start with these products. So I would definitely give it a big thumbs up. And as always, it is an all-in-one complete box without missing out on any section. If any of you like this box and are interested in buying, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, along with the coupon code. So make sure you check it out, and you'll also find the links to the 2 giveaways running on my channel. One giveaway has hampers worth 15,000 rupees, guys, and another is an amazing mini hamper from Princess Box. So make sure you check them out and participate in them. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.